The aim was to offer high net worth foreign investors a purpose to enter and gain US citizenship. Recent changes implemented by President Donald Trump have reignited interest and discussion about this visa category. The EB-5 visa was mainly aimed at encouraging foreign investment in the United States' disadvantaged areas. The motive was to secure permanent residency for foreign investors, not for common people, but who generate significant revenue for the United States. Key eligibility requirements for EB-5. Age and legal documentations. Applicants must be over 18 and possess valid identification like a passport. Health and legal earnings must be free from infectious diseases and have legally earned their investment capital. Investment amount, general cases, $1.05 million. For investment in DEA, EB-5 is now reduced to $8 lakh and will ensure the creation of at least 10 full-time jobs for the US workers. Application time, 6 to 8 months, fairly easy with alignment to H-1B and L-1 type visa applications. On March 15, 2022, the EB-5 program underwent legal refinements, reinforcing its structure and requirements. Despite these changes, it continues to attract significant interest, particularly for TEA investments, which focus on areas with exceptionally high unemployment rates. To promote TEA investments, 2,000 visas are reserved annually for such applicants. Challenges and criticism. While the EB-5 program offers numerous benefits, it has not been free from controversy, exploitation, and fraud. According to reports, some investors manipulate the system to invest in urban areas instead of intended rural or high unemployment regions. Concentration of applications. Nations like India, Canada, Vietnam, Taiwan, and South Korea account for 92% of total EB-5 contributions. Declining approvals. Between October 1, 2023 and May 31, 2024, EB-5 visa approvals for Indian applicants drops by 22%. Under Donald Trump's presidency, the EB-5 program faced heightened scrutiny amid broader immigration reforms. Trump's decision to revoke birthright citizenship added urgency among those seeking alternative pathways to the US residency. This legislative adjustment increased interest in the EB-5 visa as a solid option, although at a high financial cost. With strict immigration policies and global economic conflicts, the EB-5 program is still a feasible but tough path to US citizenship. Key questions include: will the program's integrity be maintained amid ongoing allegations of fraud? Can the US government address approval delays and declining interest from key nations? While the EB-5 visa offers a clear-cut pathway towards US citizenship, its high cost and legal complexity will seem stressful for some. The future of this program will depend on whether investor incentives can be coupled with stringent regulations to maintain fairness and transparency as policies keep changing. In the wake of policy change and trend in global economics, there is no debate over the current role of the EB-5 visa program in shaping pathways for immigrants. While this opportunity promises to help people realize their American dream, others face immense hurdles. The debate continues, and so does the EB-5 visa and international immigration.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News, news that reveal the truth, and visit our website www.topstoriesworld.com.